Hello, viewers. Uh, we are going to be starting with port 4840, which is Open Platform Communication Unified Architecture. So this is a next port, the common port in cybersecurity in operational technology we are discussing about. Now, first thing we are going to discuss is what problem does OPC UA what solved. In modern industry, many different machine and system must share what information. For example, PLC control equipment, SCADA system, they monitor what operations, analytics software studies production performance, cloud platform store operational data. The problem is these systems are often made by different what companies. They speak different communication languages. Other systems were not what built with strong security. So open platform communication unified architecture was created to solve what these challenges. What is what OPC UA? So it stands for open OP OPC UA, it stands for Open Platform Communication Unified what Architecture. So it is a modern communication language that allows different industrial systems to share data, understand each other, communicate securely. So let's think of OPCA as what? As a universal translator for what industrial machines that also include built-in security. So what is now this port? Port 4880. What is it? And then port 4880 is the main door. We know is the main door OPCA like uses to what? To communicate. This is a house. I only draw my own like this, so sorry. This is the door, and the house is the one is the IP address, and this door, the house address is the IP address, and then this door is the what? Is the port 4880. So uses to communicate. Let's simplify it by based on which is based on this house. This is the IP address is the building, and this what this port number, which is port 4880, is the what is the door. So OPC UA is the secure language spoken as what at that what door. So through port 4840, machines can safely what exchange sensor reading, production data, control what command, system status information. So the application of OPC UA is what is widely used in what in manufacturing plants, oil and gas refinery, power generation, smart factories, industrial internet of things systems, digital twin technologies. So we are going to be using oil and gas as an example. Oil and gas as an example. Industry, we are going to be using oil and gas industry as an example. Imagine a refinery that wants to monitor pump performance, analyze production data, send information to a central analytics system. Instead of building many custom connections, OPC UA allow all systems to share information securely using one standard method. How OPC UA works? Here is we are going to use a story like a PLC collect pressure data, which is programmable logic what control, and then it is used to collect what pressure. We use it to collect pressure data, and OPC UA package that data securely. The data is sent to SCADA or analytics system. So operator view information and make decision based on the what on the information collected by PLC, and then what and packaged by port by OPC UA, and then command can also Operators will now view the information and make decision. Now command can also be sent back safely. This process happen continuously and automatically. So why OPC UA is different from other industrial protocol? Other protocol were designed mainly for speed, reliability, simplicity, and then security was what was often ignored. So OPC UA is different because it was designed with what? Encryption, authentication, data what? Integrity, user access control. So the comparison, now this is a simple comparison between the older protocol and the older protocol of OPC UA. Now the older one has minimal what? Security, while this why OPC UA, the modern one, is built, it has a built-in what? Security. Now the other one has vendor specific, while the modern one have what? Vendor neutral, and the other one has limited data structure, and the modern one has rich data modeling. Now why port 4840 matters for cyber security? Port 4840 is where security, is where secure industrial communication was happen. OPC UA protect system by encrypting data, verifying device identity, controlling user permission, preventing data tampering. If this port is compromised, data can be stolen. Yes. Control command can be what? Can be manipulated. Industrial operations can be disrupted. So why OPC UA is considered the future of OT communication, which is operational technology communication. Modern industrial environments need cloud connectivity, yes. Remote monitoring, yes. Cross-vendor communication, strong cyber security, and then OPC UA support all these requirements. It help organization move toward smart manufacturing, digital transformation, industrial automation with security. So why OPC UA still needs cyber security monitoring? Even though OPC UA is secure by design, poor configuration can create risk. Weak password can allow access. It will expose networks that can increase threats. Security is what? About proper implementation and monitoring. So let's think of OPC UA like what? A secure diplomatic translator between different what? Countries. It not only translates languages but also confirm identities, protect messages, ensure trust between what? Parties. Now port 4840, which is the OPC UA, which is open platform communication unified what? Architecture, represents the evolution of industrial communications from trust-based system to secure-driven system. So protecting it helps secure to secure industrial production, energy infrastructure, digital transformation in operational technology environment. So do you think modern industrial systems should replace older protocols completely, or should both of them should coexist? Now tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.